Welcome back. We have 3 tasks to complete in this short lesson. The first one is evaluate the expression. Let's get this. X is -6 and Y is -10. All right, we're going to evaluate negative X. X is -6. Put down here, negative, negative, positive. So X is 6. Y just went through the absolute value. Y is -10. Go through absolute value. Y is 10. All right. 8 minus X is -6, -6. Let's use different color. And Y is -10. Let's take care of this negative, negative, positive. -6 plus 10, if you like, you can switch the order because commutative property of addition says when order switched does not impact the final solution. Okay, so 10 minus 6, that is 4. Copy down 8 minus 4. Our final solution is 4. All right, we just completed task 1. Let's look at the next one. We're going to simplify the expression. Let's see what we have. Our first one is -9, open, close parenthesis, y minus 7. Let's use our distributive property. We're going to distributive -9 to y. -9 times y. We have -9y. We're going to distributive -9 to -7. Negative, we're going to have a positive. 9 times 7, we have 63. Let's try again. Our next question is 8, open, close parenthesis, x minus 4 minus 10x. Let's practice distributive property. Distributive and distributive. 8 times x, 8x. 8 times -4, -32. Copy down -10x. Oh, that's what we talked about earlier. We have 2 like terms. Therefore, our next step, we're going to combine like terms. All we need to look at is to look at the coefficient. What is 8 minus 10? That is -2. And don't forget the x. And then copy down 32, -2x minus 32. Or you can also consider as it's -2x and -32 stand together. Okay, that is a simplified expression. Let's look at our last task. Let's erase here and get a clean blackboard. We're going to find the square roots. Let's start with square root 1, 2, 1. And next one, negative square root 36. And how about a positive and negative square root 81? The first one does not have sign in the front, which means it is a positive. Okay? All right. We're going to go to enter the radical. The radicand says, 121 is 11 squared. Remember, this is a square root. Okay, square root means here is the 2 here. Did you say you have the key and that's a passcode? And guess what? This 11 says, I can come out. I'll be free. Therefore, 11 come out free. Okay, all right. Let's look at next one. This time, the square root in front has a negative sign. I'm going to keep this. Don't toss it. I'm going to go here. Look, 36 is 6 squared. Remember, you have the key, you know the passcode, 6 you can come out. And don't forget, you have the negative sign in the front, so -6 is our solution. Since you have understood this too, I think you can get this down very well. All right, remember, do not toss the sign in the front. Keep it, okay? Keep that. And I'm going to use the same color so we can be consistent. And 81 is 9 squared. You have the key, you know the passcode, all right, you can come out as 9 and don't toss the sign positive, negative. That is our solution. Happy learning.